Hi, in this video I will tell you about the feedback package in Flutter. So first of all you have to add feedback package in your pubspec.yaml file. Here I have added this package and you can see the details of this package on pub.dev. This is the link. I will also include the link of this package in the description of this video. And then you have to use path provider to save the image of feedback in files, and in the last you have to send a proper email to any developer to solve the issue that you are facing on a specific app. So in main.dot file there is there are some theming properties of app, and you have to wrap your material app with the better feedback widget or class to use as mentioned in the details of package. It allows users to give interactive feedback directly in the app means of all pages. So to give the feedback of at any page you have to wrap your material app widget with better feedback widget. There are many properties of better feedback widget. You can see here child is required, which is material app, and then there is a feedback builder. Other are themes, localization delegates to localize your app for different countries, and feedback mode and pixel ratio. I have only used this property theme. It accepts feedback theme data. If you hover over this property, it accepts feedback theme data. So here I have changed the background. Background is basically for example, when I click on print feedback button, this is the background of app, which is pink accent, and feedback sheet color is green accent, which is here. And feedback sheet height, this is the height of feedback sheet. You can increase or decrease its height. And the active feedback mode color is light blue accent. What it's mean that if you change this color to black and hot reload it, you have seen that the color of draw has been changed. Sheet is draggable is set to true, means we can drag the sheet, which is this one. Okay, you can also change the color to red. Basically it is the feedback mode color mean. If you set the first hot reload it, this color draw color will change to red. If you set the click on draw button, then you can draw anything on the screen, and if you click on navigate button, then you cannot draw anything on screen, but you can navigate inside your app. Like you can click on any button or perform any interactive function of your app. So this is the active feedback mode color. Let's change back it to the what it was previously. So remember to wrap your material app with this widget. In home page there are basically 3 buttons: print feedback, show alert dialog, and provide email feedback. So first of all we will see this print feedback button. I have called better feedback of context.show feedback, and here you can write your own function, like to show dialog or to print something, I can write here debug print, and then feedback dot feedback gives us the text, screenshot, and extra, these three properties. I have defined these functions in the feedback functions dot class, and for the console feedback function method I have only printed the feedback text, feedback screenshot length, and extra values if there are any, to print them in the console. And for the second function, alert feedback function, it accepts context to show dialog, and here dialog is built. So for the first button, it will just show the output in console, like when I click on draw, you can draw something on screen and also change the color. Here in themes, you can also change the property of colors in themes. In themes there is a property of draw colors. Here you can define your own custom colors instead of these red, blue, yellow, and green colors. You can also define your custom colors by defining in theme data. The property is draw colors. So this is to show the feedback in the console. As I have clicked on the first button, if I write something and then submit it, it will show the output in console. Here you can see size of image, this is the extra, and it cannot show image in the console, and this is the text. Then there is second button to show the alert dialog. You can also send your feedback to Firebase or any other server which you want to send your feedback, or you can also upload the feedback of users to the GitLab. And this is the second function, alert feedback function, which is from this feedback functions dot class. Here basically I am calling the first of all the text. If it is given, it will be shown. Let me click on the show alert dialog button, perform some changing, and then submit it. This is the title, and then there is image to show, height and width is set here, and then at the end action of dialog is alert dialog or show dialog is to close this, and it will pop to the main page or home page of our app. And the third one is to send the email to the developer to solve the issue. So this is for email, this is the subject and this is the recipient of email, and attachment paths is screenshot file path. This path is basically by this method write image to storage. This method is defined here. It first of all use path provider package to get temporary directory and save it in output directory. Then it is saved as this path and with this name, and it is converted to file, and then it is written as bytes to the storage of our local mobile storage, and then it returns the screenshot file path, and this screenshot file path is given here, and then it uses email sender uses this image to send to this address. This is the attachment path which is given here from this method. So in the end there is email sender dot send email. So this is the whole concept of this package, and let's try to perform the last function, email. If we draw something and then I try to submit, make the text smaller and app bar smaller, let's submit it, then it will open email and you can send here. So this is the complete idea of this feedback package in Flutter. You can also add the feedback these feedback buttons in the drawer of the app to send the feedback of any package to the developer or upload on any server. Thank you for watching this video.